Hello fellas, first of all thank you for visiting my channel. In this video I just want to explain about how to install apps in your PC. There are two methods of installing apps in your PC. Method number 1, click on Windows, search for Microsoft Store. Here it is, just open it. Here you find lot of apps that recommended in PC itself. Click whatever app you needed. Example ChatGPT. Click on install button. It is automatically downloaded in your PC. Some apps like APK apps or some other application you not find here, then the solution for it in method 2. Go to Chrome, search whatever app you needed. Example Geo Hotstar. Click on first website. Click three dots or go to more tools. Here apps. This install this site as an app. Just click on it. Just click on install. It will download it automatically in your PC. Okay. Just one, I will show it to you. See here, Geohotstar is downloaded automatically. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more videos.